Jean-Luc Godard, one of the greatest filmmakers of all time and the pioneer of French New Wave cinema, once told, "A film should have a beginning, middle and an end, but not necessarily in that order." And today, most of the filmmakers follow this non-linear style of narrative in their film, where events are portrayed out of chronological order that includes parallel subplots, open endings, a series of flashbacks, and many more. So friends, today's video is not about a movie review or analysis. It's something else. But before that, welcome to my channel, Master Shot. Over the last few years, a lot of filmmakers have entered the South film industry, especially Tamil film industry, giving us films that discuss different themes and style. And most of these directors are youngsters. So today we are going to analyze the filmmaking style of one such director. He is Lokesh Kanagaraj, who works predominantly in the Tamil film industry. Lokesh Kanagaraj is someone who entered the industry just 5 years back. He has directed 3 movies so far, in that one movie is yet to be released. And within the short period of time, he was able to earn his name into the list of most reliable and versatile directors. His movies are always considered as quality films, because no matter what, how much ever you play with the narrative, at the end of the day, the script or the story should be really good for the movie to succeed. In that case, all his films has prominence given to the script and the story rather than having style over substance. His films challenge the usual commercial cinema template, because in the first 2 films that he worked, there is no concept of a single hero or heroine, and the story do not revolve around these two. It's more about the situations that each characters are put in. And you can see all the characters getting equal screen space or almost equal screen space, which is rare in mainstream commercial cinema. In all his films, the main lead is a common man. He tries to convey the story of a common man who do not have a big background and all that. And all his characters are people who we see in our day-to-day life. And he is someone who likes to experiment with different kinds of non-linearity in his narrative. For instance, his first film Managaram was a technically complex script, and it was a hyperlinked film. Now, hyperlinked film is a particular style of filmmaking where there are multiple storylines and plot that are interconnected within a single film. If you watch Managaram, you can see that each character has a story and each story has its own prominence. But then how each of their stories are interconnected and how all these characters come together form the film. So here the screenplay exposes most of the happenings within the 24 hours time. Similarly, in his second film Kaidi, the entire story takes place within the time frame of 24 hours. This film also deals with multiple stories and characters, and they intersect at one point of time. The central plot of the movie is about a prisoner who is released on parole to meet his daughter. But then there are multiple stories as well. Interestingly, this film also happens to be a road movie, completely shot at night. Even Managaram for that matter, most of the filming happens at night. One thing is that we can notice a lot of handheld shots and point of view shots in his filmmaking. And of course, the suspense that he creates through his non-linear editing. In today's commercial cinema, since most of the stories revolve around the hero, the heroine's character do not contribute much towards the script. I'm not talking about all the films, but you know, most of the films are like that. But Lokesh Kanagaraj has challenged this rule in Kaidi, because he proved that we can create films even without a female lead, romantic songs, or even over-the-top action sequences. This shows that the audience have started accepting films that are unique, and they prefer experimental films over the usual commercial potboilers. So both his films Managaram and Kaidi were huge hits at the box office, and now his third film Master, that has Vijay and Vijay Sethupathi as lead, is about to get released, and he will be collaborating with Kamal Haasan for his next film. So this shows the growth of Lokesh Kanagaraj as a director, that even senior actors wants to work with him. He is definitely one of the most versatile directors in Tamil cinema, influenced by the French New Wave. And yes, can't wait to watch how Master is gonna be. It is again said to be a different kind of a movie. Let's see.
excited.
Yes, that's it for today. Hope you guys like my video. And if you like the content, please do hit the like button and please do subscribe. Until we meet the next time, it's me Nikhil signing off from Master Shot.